So now I'm going to talk about the Screenplay Editor. And Celtx has a certain number of editors, and that's basically, I showed you what these item descriptions are, but editors are like different text editors. And of course, the most probably useful for most people would be just the basic screenplay. And so that's what I'm going to talk about first. And to add a screenplay, we'll just add one just like we were all our other items, and it's the very first one, screenplay. And you'll add it to your project library and then double click it, and it comes up a tab in your little work windows over here. And first off, just an overview. I mean, you've got your toolbar up here, your work area where you actually do all your writing. Down here, you've got some different options, which I'll go through. Script is probably where you do your writing. Typeset's where you can print out a more professional looking and professional formatting version, even though this it's just a little bit different. Index cards, which I'll go into later, and you can write out your title page and create reports. Just looking at our script feature, we've got different things in different colors here, and what this is when I double click, they come up in my production items side over here. And then you can see it's the character of the scarecrow. I've got a name, a description, and media. And this is pulling from my character over here. See? It's basically pulling this top of the character profile. So that's really cool, and another reason why you want to be adding these things to your project library, because now you can associate them in your script just like that. One other thing about the Screenplay Editor I want to show you is down below your production library is this Scene Navigator, and it takes all your scene headings and you can navigate straight to them by just clicking or double clicking actually on them and going skipping straight to them. And this becomes, of course, very useful once you get really far into your screenplay. And one other thing right down here is your scratch pad, which basically you can use for whatever you want, any kind of notes that you want to keep while you're writing your screenplay. So that is like an overview of your Screenplay Editor.